And we now have a trailer, boys. This thing looks like a sweet deal.
God,
what's up?
Need your help to get rid of the camera.
What is up, everybody? What's going on, guys? Okay, I don't know if you can see both of us or not, but anyways, we're heading to Copart again, and we're gonna go check out a trailer that we found last night that we think we can easily fix it and make it into a really good car hauler slash trailer to haul the Miatas and the dune buggy and whatever else needs to be towed. Jay's Mustang.
Mostly Jay's Mustang.
Yeah.
That thing's a piece of shit.
Yeah, mostly Jay's Mustang.
You're welcome, Jay.
I'm at Copart right now, check out that trailer, and we're gonna check out a couple more trailers and see what we can fix and see what we can possibly get. We just found the trailer we've been looking for. A little rough shape, but we can fix all this up. And see what we could do is we can take all this wood out and just replace it with metal.
Yeah.
And then take this side railings off. The double axles, that's good.
Yeah, so the issues we're seeing right now, obviously the floor, we knew that coming here that the floor would have to be replaced. If we were to get this, we'd probably switch it out with steel. Tires look pretty decent on it. It is a double axle trailer. The lights, all the lights are intact. Now, I did look underneath, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but you can see the wires, at least 2 wires got cut, so we would have to go back through it and do some wiring. That's not that big of a deal though. This thing should be pretty simple as far as the wiring is concerned. Has a cool ball hitch in the back. I guess if you're pulling 2 trailers, I guess. But yeah, lights look pretty up to date. So this thing right now, I think it's at like $100 maybe. It is a pure sale, so whatever it sells for, it sells for. I got the lot pulled up on my phone here. It's actually at $30 at the moment. The primary damage on this lot, they have it as undercarriage, so that pretty sure that just means the wood. Yeah, dude, $30. Estimated retail value before the damage, $1,730. So, and it does say it was enhanced. I don't know how the hell they enhanced this. They cleaned it up. I think if we could get this thing bidding wise for $500 or less, it'd probably be worth our time. Someone tried to cover up the sign right here, which they didn't do a very good job, and they oversprayed onto the side lights here, side markers. So, all right, well, I think we have enough information. I think $500 or less, we should pull the trigger on it, dude. Cool, let's head back to the truck, dude. All right, guys, so the trailer is going up for auction in 8 minutes. Right now, it's at $650. I don't know if I have my bid on it. I don't think I do. We'll see what we can get it for.
It's money making time.
Well, it's money spending time.
Money spending time.
Your watch item is next on the block.
Someone in Kentucky's bidding on it. What the hell? Boom. Alright, that's the most I'm gonna go. I'm curious how much to see it sells for. It's a way too expensive trailer now, dude. Cause like with fees, that's gonna go for over $1,400. So yeah. This video is now junk.
Yeah.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. Please leave a message after the tone.
So this is the trailer I'm about to go look at with Jay. The guy has it up for $875. It is a 18-footer. He doesn't specify how wide it is. It looks more than wide enough for the cars we're gonna be putting on it, especially for a Miata. It looks pretty much new. It is a 2017, I believe. The guy has it listed as an MC trailer. I did a little bit of Googling. I couldn't really find anything on that, so that's kind of weird. It does have a title, which is good. So yeah, this trailer is $125 cheaper than what that trailer at Copart sold for. That's not even considering the Copart fees. So right off the bat, this looks like a way better deal. It's just a little bit of a drive. So it is about an hour from our house here in North Litchfield Hills. It is in Weatherford, so it's gonna be a little bit of a drive. I think it's something definitely worth looking at. And just like the truck, more than likely, we're gonna pull the trigger and come back with it in like 10 minutes, so guys, now that we have a 7.3, now that we have a tow rig, we've been needing a trailer. We've always needed a good tow setup, so this will be the perfect way to complete what we need. Yeah. All right, boys, just met up with Jay. Hi, Jay. Hey, Jay. We're about 17 minutes away from the trailer, and it's about to get dark. It's never a good thing trying to buy vehicles at night, but oh well. No, there it is. From a distance, it looks pretty good, actually. All right, let's check it out. Woo! This thing looks like a sweet deal.
God damn.
What's up?
Need your help to get rid of the camera.
Oh. All right, so it's getting dark. I'm gonna try and make this quick, but we just got this thing, dude. We got a deal, I think. The main thing it needs is tires.
Yeah, but dude, we got this to sell.
Yeah. So the guy thought we were here for this. He had 2 ads up, which we didn't know.
Yeah.
Well, he just decided since we were serious about buying the trailer, he just gave it to us. So
No extra cost.
Exactly. So it's a 2-for-1 deal. All the lights work, and we just found out it does have trailer brakes.
Yes. You have a trailer brake controller on the new tow rig. This is perfect, dude.
It is.
We can fit like 1.5 Miatas, 1 whole Mustang, no Jeeps.
It might
Nope.
with stock tires.
No Mitsubishis, none of that.
We'll go further in detail once we get this thing out of here because we're still at the guy's house.
Yeah, when you leave.
All right, let's go. All right, so it's a little bit more bright here. Oh yeah, I just filled it up for the first time. Wasn't even at a quarter tank, and ouch, that's kind of.
Yeah, dude, mine was only 44 bucks.
Oh yeah, the range is like a Prius now compared to this thing, right?
Yeah, dude. I mean,
Almost.
you get better gas mileage still. So.
Yeah, so I'm averaging like 18, 19, something like that. So it's not terrible. That's around town too. Get a little closer look at it. Obviously, definitely need some paint on it. Maybe even bed liner. I don't know how that would look though.
Oh, God.
No?
Bedline all the things.
Yeah?
No.
Yeah, drop a comment. Should we bedline this? Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah, you gave the guy $5 extra and it's still a steal.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, he gave us the brush guard, which I'm probably going to sell that.
Yeah.
I mean, I might put it on, but I don't know.
Nah,
We'll see.
dude. Nah.
I might put that on.
Nah, it's too big, bro.
The official Novice Garage towing package is done. So we are ready to tow whatever comes our way.
Everything.
Everything. The
Everything's
world.
gonna
dude.
break.
Yep.
Yep. Now we're prepared.
Exactly.
Sorry, Adam.
All right, guys. So before we leave y'all, 2 birds, 1 stone this real quick. So we're gonna test that trailer out. We're also gonna go clean the dune buggy because it's been a full week now, I think, since we've off-roaded this thing. Zach cleaned it, which means it hasn't really been cleaned very much. Right, Zach?
What?
I cleaned it.
Yeah, we're gonna go load this thing up on the trailer, test it out, go take it to the car wash. It'll be a perfect first test for this trailer, which I'm sure will be fine. And
And if you guys haven't noticed, there's something missing in that picture.
are you cold right now? It is cold, dude. So
cold.
it is, literally, so we're here in Texas. Literally yesterday, it was what, almost 70 degrees, almost, and it's straight up 33 degrees right now. Like 40-degree temperature drop. Crazy.
All right, so we're all loaded up. We're about to head out and go get this thing washed. It's so cold out.
It's so windy. Alright, we picked a really bad day to do this. It's really freaking cold. Joe's colder than I am. I got gloves on. But I know a couple of y'all wanted to see us wash our vehicles after mudding, so here you go. It's pain in the ass, would not recommend. The mud is so bad in the floorboard, I'm about to grab a shovel and start shoveling the mud out into the grass with this here shovel. That's what I'm about to do. So enjoy while I suffer on this work real quick. This is good content. We can only get so much mud out with the seats in. That's kind of the problem right now. So we're gonna spray it one more time, and then we're gonna have to come back a different day and take the seats out. So the worst part of this whole thing is getting the mud out of the tub, out of the floor. There's a lot of it, like a pigsty in this thing. So spray it one more time, and then we're gonna load it back up on the trailer, and we'll be done. This sucks.
Look at you, backing up like a pro.
Yeah, my last day job, well, not my last day job. 2 day jobs ago, I would occasionally move big ass semi trailers at Amazon warehouse. So this is natural to an extent. Thank you guys for watching. We have the trailer, we have the truck, we're ready to tow some shit. I had to quack that. We'll see y'all next time. Oh yeah, next video, really bad news. Stay tuned. See you guys. And we just found out it does have trailer brakes.
Yes,
that's awesome.
And you have a trailer brake controller in the new too. You have a trailer. God damn it. You.
You.
Sorry, Gabe.
Soldier boy.
You. All right.
God.
You have a trailer brake.
God damn it, dude. Words are hard, I know.
You. Shut the fuck up.
Hey, you know, for it being your first truck, you tow pretty good.
Yay!